Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Farida plans a feast. Author Maegan Dobson Sippy. Farida goes for a walk every evening. She takes an empty tiffin box and a big water bottle. First stop, her kitchen.
Can I have some uncooked rice, please?
2 skips to the vegetable cart.
How many squashed tomatoes can I take today?
3 hops to the tea stall.
Any broken biscuits?
4 jumps to the beach.
I hope you kept the smelliest fish for me.
Five leaps to the potter's shop.
Did you save me the chipped bowls?
Uncooked rice, squashed tomatoes, broken biscuits, smelly fish, chipped bowls. What is Farida planning?
Meow, meow.
A meal for the cats. Woof, woof. Snacks for the dogs.
Cow, cow.
Treats for the crows.
Cheep, cheep.
Dinner for the sparrows. There is nothing left in the tiffin box until tomorrow.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.